Okay, now we're going to learn how to draw the histogram and the frequency polygon. In your booklet, page 61, number 2, the following table shows the marks of some students in an exam. 20 and more, we read this dash as 20 and more, and it means that the students who got between 20 and 30, between them, were 6 students, and the students who got between 30 and 40 are 10 students, and we read this as 30 and more. Now we're going to start by drawing the histogram and then the frequency polygon. Now we're going to leave one empty square from down and then draw a line. And we put an arrow here and we must write sets. We leave one empty square from the left and then draw a line. Put an arrow and we write here frequency. And then we start by putting here the 0. And then we copy the number of the sets from the question. 20 and more, 30 and more, and so on. One empty square and we write 20 and more. One empty square, 30 and more. 40 and more. 50 and more. 60 and more. Then we go to this line and we write the numbers after 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And then now 20 and more is 6. So we enter from the 20 and go up to the 6, and then we move one square to the right and then go down. Now we're going to start in 30. 30 and more is 10. We go up to 10 and then we move one square to the right and then go down. 40 and more, 14. We go up to the 14 and then we move one square to the right and then go down. Now we're going to start in the 50, 7 and more. So we go to the 7 and then move one square to the right and then go down. Now the last one is 60 and more, which is 3. So we go up to the 3 and then we move one square to the right and then go down. Now this is the histogram. This is how we draw the histogram. Now here in the frequency polygon, 20 and more is 6. We start from the 20, go up to the 6, but we do not put the point here at the beginning of the square. We put it in the middle here. Between the 20 and the 30, between them, not in the beginning of the square. So we go up to the 6, count 5 small squares, and then put the point. Now 30 and more is 10. From the 30, we go up to the 10. Do not put your point here. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small squares and then put the point. 40 and more is 14. Go up from the 40 to the 14 and then put your point in the middle of the square. 50 and more is 7. We go up from the 50 to 7 and put the point in the middle. 60 and more is 3. From the 60 we go to the 3 up and then put the point here. And then we join these points together like this. This one is called the frequency polygon. So the bar graph is called the histogram, and this line is called the frequency polygon.